Hey, today I'm going to show you how to make your very own high protein smoothies. These are great if you're trying to build some muscle, lose weight, or just get into healthier lifestyle. Anyway, let's just jump right into them and let's have fun. The very first smoothie is a delicious peanut butter banana smoothie. To make it, you're going to need one ripe banana and we're going to add it into our blender piece by piece. And then I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. You can use crunchy one or smooth one. And then we can use 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk or any other plant-based milk you like, or even regular milk. And then half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 scoop of protein powder. I'm using vegan protein powder. You can use whatever you want, wheat-based or any other. And then a few ice cubes. We're going to blend. And here we go. We have our very own banana peanut butter smoothie. Now when you need something more refreshing, we're going to make our own blueberry smoothie. We're going to use 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk or any other plant-based milk, of course. And I'm going to use 1 cup of blueberries. I'm using fresh ones. You can also use frozen ones. And since I'm using fresh ones, I'm going to add a few ice cubes just so that it all blends together easily. And then we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of almond butter or any other butter you have, whether it's peanut butter or cashew butter. And then we're going to use half a teaspoon of maple syrup. It could be honey as well. And we're going to use 1 scoop of protein powder. And blend all these ingredients together as nicely as we can. Take our time. And then we're going to pour it into our glass. And that's it. Our smoothie is ready. The third smoothie is Matcha Smoothie. It's great for the mornings where you need a little kick in the butt. So we're going to start with a few ice cubes and add in 1 ripe banana. Just use little pieces. Make sure you don't add just whole banana just like that. And then we're going to use 1 cup of unsweetened oat milk. You can use almond milk as well or cashew milk. And then we're going to use 1 teaspoon of unsweetened matcha powder. This is where the kick will come in. And then 1/8 of a teaspoon of cinnamon for a little spice. And then 1 scoop of protein powder, of course. And a handful of fresh spinach leaves. And we're going to top it all up with half a teaspoon of honey. You can use maple syrup too for the sweetness. We're going to blend all the ingredients together and we have our protein smoothie ready. It has 30 grams of protein in 1 glass, which is quite a bit and only 373 calories. Now the fourth smoothie is one of my favorites. It's mango smoothie. We're going to use 1 cup of frozen mango or fresh mango. You can use either and add it to the blender. If you're using fresh mango, just add some ice. And then we're going to add 1 cup of oat milk or any other plant-based milk and then 1 scoop of protein powder. And I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, which are actually high in protein and good in fiber. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/4 of a cup of water, just to make sure that it's liquid enough. And this smoothie, once you blend it, it's absolutely delicious. Oh my god, and so refreshing. A perfect treat for spring, summer. It's just so good. And it has 412 calories in 1 glass and 30 grams of protein, which is quite a bit. The fifth smoothie is coconut strawberry smoothie, which is a lovely, refreshing yet smooth and sweet sort of drink. We're going to start with 1 scoop of protein powder and we're going to add in 1 cup of frozen strawberries or fresh ones. If you use fresh ones, just add some ice. And then 3/4 of a cup of unsweetened coconut milk for that coconutty feeling, coconutty taste. And then 1/2 of a cup of coconut water for just more coconut in the smoothie. And then 1 tablespoon of unsweetened shredded coconut again, okay? And 1 teaspoon of honey. So this smoothie, once you blend it, it's extra sweet, so refreshing and delicious, yet light somehow. And it has 27 grams of protein and only 290 calories, so it's beautiful. The sixth smoothie is raspberry smoothie. It's again very refreshing drink to start your mornings with. We're going to start with 1 cup of frozen raspberries. You can use fresh ones as well. Just add in some ice afterwards. I'm going to add in 1 ripe banana. Just put it in small pieces so it blends well. And then 1.5 cup of unsweetened almond milk. You could use other plant-based milks as well. And then 1 tablespoon of chia seeds for that extra protein and fiber, and then 1 scoop of protein powder, of course. So this smoothie is actually quite refreshing and it really hits you hard. So it's a great way to just wake up in the mornings and get going. 1 glass of the smoothie has 31 grams of protein and only 385 calories and 17 grams of fiber. So that's pretty good. Now the 7th smoothie is pineapple one, and of course if you love pineapple you're just going to adore this lovely drink. We're going to start with 1 cup of almond milk or any other plant-based milk, and then half a cup of frozen pineapple chunks. Trust me, use frozen ones. I find that just dealing with pineapple can be quite messy. And then 1 tablespoon of unsweetened shredded coconut and half a ripe banana. Just put it in and add in 1 scoop of protein powder with a few ice cubes. Even though we're using frozen pineapple chunks, I'm adding some ice just for more water at the end. So once you blend the smoothie, it has 28 grams of protein and 362 calories with 5 grams of fiber. So it's quite refreshing, delicious and filling. Now the 8th smoothie is carrot cake smoothie. If you love carrot cake or the smells, the flavors related to it, this smoothie is a great option. We're going to start with 1 cup of unsweetened oat milk, and we're going to add in 1 scoop of protein powder. I'm then adding half a cup of carrots. We're going to chop them just before that, so I'm adding the chopped ones. And make sure you add in 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. They're high in protein and they have some fiber. And then we have 1 teaspoon of honey and half a teaspoon of cinnamon for that little spice, just to recreate the carrot cake flavors. And then I'm adding a few ice cubes to finish it all up. We're going to blend all the ingredients together to create our lovely smoothie. It has 338 calories in a glass and 29 grams of protein with 7 grams of dietary fiber. So it's great, it's delicious, it's just truly special, you know. Now if you want a green smoothie, this mint smoothie is perfect. We're going to start with 1 cup of unsweetened cashew milk and pour it into our blender, and then add in 1 cup of spinach and 1 scoop of protein powder, and then we're going to finish up with 6 mint leaves and a few ice cubes, and that's it. Really, that's just 5 ingredients, and then you blend all of them, and here you go. We have our very own lovely, amazing smoothie, high in protein. It's green, it's just minty and refreshing. So the smoothie has 29 grams of protein and only 207 calories, so it's really high in protein and it's light on your tummy. Now obviously we need to finish up with a chocolate almond smoothie for the chocolate lovers out there. You're going to start with half a cup of Greek yogurt or any other yogurt you love. Just make sure it's not high in sugar, and then add in 1 cup of almond milk, or it can even be your regular cow milk. And then we're going to add in 1 ripe banana in little pieces, just like that, and then half a tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. Yes, that's where the chocolatey taste will come from. And then 2 tablespoons of almond butter and 1 scoop of protein powder with a few ice cubes. And then we blend to create our very own chocolate smoothie that's healthy and high in proteins, and it's very high in proteins. This one has 46 grams of protein in a glass, but it's also high in calories. It's 547 calories. So if you really need to start your day right with a filling meal, this is the choice for you. So which one of these smoothies is your favorite? Let me know in the comments section. Please like this video to see more ideas like this in the future, and of course subscribe for more recipes on this channel. I share them weekly and we enjoy cooking out here. So thank you for watching, have a lovely day and take care of yourself. Bye bye, and have fun building that muscle. Bye.